Our first song was Carrera, and talagang marami sa inyo ang nabisto. And we're hoping na sana na-remind ulit namin kayo na kahit anong bilis ng takbo ng panahon, huwag tayo matakot na to take a pause, take a break, and just have our